Hey guys, Derek with Love Your Home here. Today I'm going to be reviewing Onumii, the rechargeable LED puck lights Pro. And today we're going to be doing a review on it and adding a little Christmas cheer to our home. It's almost Thanksgiving. I'm going to unbox it here and see what we think. So it looks like we got 6 puck lights, charger, some mounts for the remotes. Nice. These are really cool looking remotes. They feel nice, not cheap. You could like stick that to the wall, stick your remote in it. Nice. Comes with 2 remotes and the puck lights. Nice. They got some charge already. My first spot I tested them out was this male kind of counter area that we have. It's always missed the under counter lighting that our cabinets have, so I thought this would be a great place to put 2 of them. These puck lights don't require any Wi-Fi or any app. These lights are seriously so easy to install. All you do is put the sticker magnet somewhere you want the puck light to be and stick it on. It's so easy. And they look awesome. It does recommend charging before using, so I'm going to charge these up and we'll check them out later. Our family just loves mood lighting. We always just have these ambience things going on the TV, and we're just a big fan of kind of being cozy in the winter time. So let's get to checking these the lights out. All right, hey guys. So it's evening now, nighttime. It's dark. I'm going to show you guys where I decided to put these lights and kind of how they work and what I think of them so far. I spent the day just kind of messing with them, getting them set up. So I put 3 of them here where my island is. Right now it's just on kind of color changing mode, so it can rotate through the colors. I put the one here just kind of on our little like makeshift pantry that we have. We just kind of use that for extra food items and whatever, fruit and decor. So yeah, 3 of them there, 1 here. And like I said before, this was a 6-pack, so the other 2 I kind of showed you before are over here. They're changing color. And yeah, really cool. Let's get some lights off. How cool is that? And it came with 2 remotes like I showed you before. It comes with a little holder here that you can stick on here. So I ended up putting it inside my little pantry area, kind of where I have my other one for my fan, and just kind of get it out of the way. But let's kind of go through the functions of this and show you what I think. So here's the remote, and right now it's rotating through the colors. You don't always have to do that. You can kind of pick your colors. So here's kind of like an orange, um, fall looking light, blue, teal color, blue, it's kind of just like your normal looking average lights. Here's that one. I got my under counter lighting on there, so it's kind of flowing together with that. I really like how this kind of blends in now that I have under counter lighting here. It's gonna it just kind of flows all together with my kitchen now. And you look over here, it's under the island, and under that just looks so nice and kind of calming. A few other little features that this has. The remote, you can do a 1 hour. You can't really see it on my video, but you can set it so if you want it to shut off in an hour, you just click that. It blinks, letting you know that it's all set up. You can set it up for 3 hours or 6 hours. So you don't want to waste the batteries on them. The batteries on these are supposed to last a really long time. I haven't, gone through and seen how long they actually last, but I feel like they're going to last a long time. You can also control the brightness by pressing the plus or minus button. So right now they're as high as they go, kind of flashing, saying, hey, this is as high as they go. Otherwise you can lower them down, make them dimmer. And obviously the dimmer they are, probably the longer they'll last as well. So that looks kind of nice though too. Like that one over there, like how bright it is. Like maybe they don't need to be up all the way. Just like that's kind of, I don't know, kind of nice. Looks really nice under there. But yeah, and then there's different modes, like the color changing mode. Goes a little bit faster. But I think maybe around the holidays, like on Christmas when people are over or something, I'll set these ones over. I'll set like the ones under the counter and over here to be like red, those ones to be green. Anyways, guys, yeah, this is just a really simple way to add a little, lighting to your kitchen. You could put them literally wherever. So here's kind of what they look like again. If you do want to stick them to something, it comes with these little magnets. You just peel off the back, and you stick it wherever, like I stuck them here, and then it just clicks onto the magnet. And these little stickers are very strong. So once you stick them on, they're probably not coming off. So super easy to install. Another cool feature about these is they have just a little tap on the actual puck. So that way, if you don't want to grab your remote, you can just come out, tap, and they'll all turn on. See that? This one's missing from over here. We'll put that back. That's so cool. So nice. And there we go, guys. It's all set up. My kitchen's looking awesome as far as the lighting. It needs to be clean. But anyways, guys, I'm going to put a link to this in the description. You should go check them out and pick some up. They're pretty affordable. I highly recommend. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.